Welcome to GoSnap. Our new concept is called Your Life in Photos, and the goal is for users to share one or more photos per day. So I'll take you through the app right now. Once a user opens the app, they'll get to this landing page. We simplified the registration to just include three fields because we saw that people were dropping off since we were asking for so much information. One key thing we got feedback on was that once a user joins, if they're not following anyone, it's a lot less valuable to them. So we immediately want to have them follow their friends that are currently using the app if they do have any friends that are using the app. So, we'll have them connect to Facebook, show their friends that are from Facebook that are using the app, and have them following them right in the registration flow. Also, one thing that we learned already in our first version of our app was that um, you know we can ask users to invite their friends during the registration flow, and that does work. We saw some great traction from that, so we're keeping that, or saw some good virality from that. Also, just to make sure users will be following someone once they get inside the app, we're going to recommend some of our popular users to follow. Okay, and then right before the user gets inside the app, we want to tell them a little bit about, you know, what the app is and how they should be using it. And that's what this page is, our kind of welcome page. All right, so right when they get inside the app, we want to tell them the first thing we want them to do is basically take their first photo. So that's this message. All right, so they take their first photo. We can share it to Facebook. That'll get us some. That'll help us with user acquisition when these users post new photos to Facebook. And also, once a user connects their Facebook profile, we'll post on that user's wall, hey, I just joined GoSnap, come use the app with me, or something like that. Um, one of our great features will be this live feed. So whenever a user posts a photo, it'll go to this live feed. So we see a lot of engagement and return visitors coming back just to view this live feed and engage with it, right? Because if it's constantly updated with new photos, it'll be a great place to, one, just view new photos as well as find interesting, cool new people to follow. Alright, so once you take your first photo, we are going to always display the number of photo that was. We'll display the actual photo itself, how long ago it was taken. One of the cool features we're building in is to make sure the user continually takes photos and keeps coming back. After 24 hours of taking a photo, if you haven't taken one since, we're going to send you a push notification reminding you to take another photo, right? Because the whole point of the app is to take one or more photos per day. So we thought that was a great feature to add. Alright, so we have a home screen. It's the same thing as a live feed. The only difference is that that'll just show new photos from people you are following, which is one of the keys is going to be we need to make sure that we can find users, we can get users to follow other users.